my channel. If you like cooking, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Oxtail and I like to cook. On my channel, I share recipes of things that I like cooking, and today I'll be sharing an oxtail recipe. I'll pair this with SAMP, a mushroom flavored SAMP, and it's my dad's recipe, and when he cooked it for us, I was like, so nice. So I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me not waste any time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, for the stew, we have the oxtail meat, about 1.2 kgs. I've got my salt and pepper. I've got my favorite herb, the thyme. It's dried this time. And we have the crushed garlic, and we have the potatoes to make the mash. I'm not going to show you how to make the mash though. And onions, forgot the onions. And also for the SAMP, I'm going to have the SAMP. I've left it soaking overnight so that it can cook quicker. So yeah, the SAMP. And we have the knorr mushroom soup, just 2 tablespoons, and just salt and pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna give the SAMP a wash. Okay, we're gonna put the SAMP in a pot and put some water, like a lot to cover it because we're gonna leave it on the stove for a very long time. Okay, my SAMP has been cooking for about 45 minutes. Once the water is reduced, I'm gonna go in with the salt and pepper and the mushroom soup, and then let it cook further for another 15 minutes, and then it should be all done. Okay, while my stew is browning, I'm going to prepare the mash. I'm just going to slice the potatoes and put them in a pot to boil, so that by the time the meat is nice and soft and ready for the mash, I can just join them together in a pot. I'm not going to show you how to make it like I said, but yeah, let's just make the mash with just salt, and that's all. everyone, that was it for me today. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. It takes a long time to cook everything, but it is all worth it. I promise. Like, it's like the ultimate comfort food. Well, anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to tell me what you think about the thing, well, if you do try it out, then please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so they can do the same. Until next week, it's a bye from me. Bye!